The most in the east think about this time of year. WNCT's Emily Gibbs joins us with what you should know. Emily.
People were talking about getting flood insurance when they heard the potential of Irma making landfall in North Carolina. But now, with the system mostly impacting the west, the question's still flooding our area. Is it worth it to secure yourself with insurance for the rest of the hurricane season?
This is peace of mind. And if that will give you the peace of mind knowing that you may be taken care of, and if you have damages that there would be coverage for that, then you need to go ahead and buy it for in the future.
This peace of mind can ensure your piece of land is protected, and this coverage is for anybody who wants it.
We have seen over the years that a lot of places that were in those minimal flood areas have actually flooded, and people have needed flood insurance.
So when asking yourself if you should be thinking about it, you too are in a floodplain. Every piece of land is drawn out and marked, whether you will have minimal flood risk or heavy flood risk.
Go ahead and purchase it as soon as you can if you're concerned about it, because there is a 30-day waiting period, and at least you'll know that in 30 days your coverage will begin.
State Farm says although flood insurance can be pricey, usually averaging $400 a year, the price is flexible based on certain criteria.
Makes it vary is the level of your home or the elevation of your home that you're at, possibly the age of the home.
Although Irma didn't leave us with rising waters, but just some puddles, you should still consider getting flood insurance now.
Just like with the Texas storm, we heard that there are so many of those people that did not have flood insurance, and that's just proof positive of the fact that even though you might not be in a high-risk area, that you can suffer flood damage.
If you go ahead and purchase this flood insurance for the next hurricane or even any thunderstorm, any furniture or appliances that have a water line on them will be covered, and it must be inside your home and not in a separate garage. Emily Gibbs, 9 on your side.
All right, thank you, Emily.